Hello and welcome to this tutorial on accessing ebooks. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to find ebooks on a topic using OneSearch, the library's internal search engine. To access OneSearch, go to the library homepage, which you can access via Google by typing in the terms CPP Library. Now you can do a search in OneSearch by typing search terms directly into the search box here, but under the circumstances, I would suggest you use the advanced search option here. This button will take you to a search page where there are a number of filtering tools that will help you more easily access our ebook collections. You will notice a series of radio buttons across the top of the screen. To limit your results to ebooks, start by selecting the Books and Media CPP option. Now we need a search term. How about the Black Death? Okay. So by limiting our results to the print and electronic collections held by our campus, we get about 224 results. However, this is a mixture of both print and ebooks. To limit our results to ebooks, use the filtering menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Under the Available at CPP heading, check the box marked Full Text Online. Now hit the button marked Apply Filters. This is going to cut us down to 121 results, all of which are ebooks. To access an ebook, click on the title in the search results. For example, let's pick this one, The Black Death by Sean Martin. Clicking on the title will take you to this ebook's record in OneSearch. You can see a link here showing you how to access the ebook, and clicking on it will take you to the publisher's ebook interface. Before we do that, I should point out two things. First, if you're off campus, you aren't going to see this link, but instead you're going to see a gray box that says your search doesn't match any physical item in the library. When this happens, don't panic. Click on the button that says Sign in for more options, and you will be prompted to sign in with your Bronco ID and password. You will then be able to see the link and access the ebook. Second, we get our ebooks from a variety of different publishers, all of which use different interfaces that have unique personality quirks. In this case, when we click on the link, it takes us into the ProQuest ebook interface, which is called eBook Central. Here we can either choose to read the book online or directly from your desktop, or we can choose to download the entire book to a tablet or e-reader. If you choose this option, you will be prompted to open the ebook first, so click on Download Book, and then click on the Open Book option. At this point, you can choose the full download option here, and you will be prompted to identify the device you are using. Follow the instructions for your specific type of device, and you will be able to start reading your ebook. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about accessing ebooks or any of our other library resources. You can reach us anytime at libraryhelp, one word, @cpp.edu.